Ever wondered when your dog is ready to breed? Today, we'll delve into this intriguing topic. We'll explore the canine heat cycle, learn how to recognize the signs of readiness, and understand when the optimum time for breeding might be. We'll also touch on how you can prepare your dog for this process. This comprehensive guide will provide you with the knowledge you need to navigate the world of dog breeding. So buckle up as we embark on this journey to understand dog breeding. To begin with, it's crucial to understand the canine heat cycle. Our furry friend's heat cycle is somewhat similar to the human menstrual cycle, but with distinct differences. It's typically broken down into 4 stages: prestress, estrus, destrus, and anestrus. Starting off with prestress, this is the initial stage of the heat cycle that lasts about 9 days. During this phase, female dogs attract males but aren't yet ready to mate. You may notice physical changes like swelling of the vulva and a bloody discharge. Next up, we have estrus. This phase lasts about 9 days as well, and it's the time when your dog is ready to breed. She'll be receptive to males, and her discharge will change from bloody to a straw-like color. After estrus comes destrus. This stage lasts around 60 days, whether or not your dog is pregnant. If she hasn't mated, her body will return to normal. If she has mated, this stage will continue into pregnancy. Finally, we reach anestrus. This is the resting period that lasts about 4 to 5 months. During this time, there are no hormonal activities, and your dog won't show any interest in mating. Understanding these stages is vital. It helps you identify when your dog is in heat and ready to breed, ensuring a successful mating process. Now that we've grasped the basics of the canine heat cycle, let's move on to the next important aspect. The timing of breeding plays a significant role in successful conception. Now, one might wonder, when exactly is the right time to breed? Well, the answer lies within the canine ovulation cycle. The optimal time for breeding is generally 2 days after ovulation. This is when the eggs have matured and are ready to be fertilized. But how can you tell when your dog has ovulated? This is where your vet comes in handy. Your vet can perform a simple blood test to determine the levels of progesterone, a hormone that rises sharply during ovulation. When the progesterone levels reach a certain point, usually around 5 nanograms per milliliter, it indicates that ovulation has occurred. After ovulation, breeding should ideally occur within the next 2 to 3 days for the highest chance of successful conception. Any later, and the eggs may no longer be viable. But remember, every dog is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. It's important to keep an open line of communication with your vet throughout this process. They can provide personalized advice based on your dog's breed, age, and overall health. Also, it's worth noting that while timing is crucial, other factors like the health and genetic compatibility of the breeding pair also significantly impact the outcome. So, timing is of the essence when it comes to successful dog breeding. But it's just one piece of the puzzle. By working closely with your vet, you can navigate this complex process and hopefully welcome a healthy litter of puppies into the world. Preparation is key to ensuring a safe and successful breeding process. The journey begins with a healthy diet. A well-balanced diet is crucial for both the male and female dogs involved in breeding. This not only ensures optimal health, but it also boosts fertility. Next, regular vet checkups are non-negotiable. Your vet will help confirm if your dog is healthy enough to breed and can guide you on the ideal time for breeding based on your dog's heat cycle. Don't forget, the process doesn't end with successful mating. The female dog's needs increase during pregnancy. This means more frequent meals and a gradual increase in portions as the pregnancy advances. Regular, gentle exercise like short walks can also help keep her in good shape. Remember to provide her with a comfortable, quiet place where she can rest and eventually give birth. With adequate preparation and care, your dog's breeding process can be a smooth and successful one. Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed today. We dove into the intricacies of the canine heat cycle, understanding its stages and signs. We highlighted how to identify the optimal time to breed, focusing on the ovulation cycle. We also discussed how to prepare for dog breeding, ensuring both the health and safety of your pet. Remember, understanding your dog's breeding process is crucial for a successful and safe pregnancy. Thanks for watching.